Welcome to another video. It's Vlogmas day 7, and today I'm in the kitchen again cooking some chicken breast, brown stew chicken breast and thigh. Yes, it's already washed with vinegar and water. You can do that with lemon or lime. Wash your chicken, cut it up, season it with whatever seasoning that you have at home. Paprika, black pepper, chicken seasoned all purpose, onions, bell pepper, and start frying. It's that easy, guys. Yes, so this you can have on an everyday, or you can have it as one of your choices for your Christmas Eve dinner or your Christmas dinner. And this is what I'm demonstrating today. Enjoy the video. So it's frying here. You turn it down a little bit lower and let it soak. Okay, or you can marinate your meat from overnight and do this, or give it an hour or two and you start frying your meat. So here, guys, we're taking out the ones that are already fried and adding more meat because it's a good amount of meat. So, you know, the chicken breast is the small pieces, so they need to soak. So here I have some green banana and yellow yam, we call it in Jamaica. So that's the yellow yam and that's the green banana. So I'm gonna get my pot with some boiling water. I put a little bit of oil in there that the stain don't make it black. Or you could add a piece of lemon or lemon juice in the water. Okay, so here we have our bell pepper, onion and everything, and thyme added to the pot. So at this point we're gonna cook down the fried chicken, right? So we're gonna stew it down. That's what we call it, stewed chicken. So everything is fried. We're adding onions, bell pepper, thyme, scallion, whatever pepper you want to use, scotch-bonnet pepper, all your herbs or spices that you choose to use. So that's what we're doing here. And we're going to pair it up with some yellow yam, banana, some vegetables that you saw there, and show it to you. Enjoy the music. I'm gonna put as much description of the meat in the description. Also, you're gonna see some steamed cabbage. We're gonna add that to it and show you as well. Continue watching. Thank you for being here. Please remember to like, share and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thumbs up the video and share it out if you can. I appreciate it. Thank you. Continue watching. So I'm pouring some Diana sauce on the meat. Yes, you can use ketchup. Some of the kids here don't like ketchup, so I'm putting some Diana sauce. Now we're just gonna let it steam down slowly to get some of the liquid out of the pot. And you will see that it's cooking down the vegetables and everything. So we're letting the water, remove the cover that the water could, you know, dry down a little. That's what we say, dry down. Become less. Okay, guys, so here it is. This is called cabbage. It's been cut up and then diced in whatever size that you want it to be diced up into, and then we're going to season it just like how you're going to season your meat. This can also, you know, we use it with saltfish. You could put, or codfish we call it, you could put it with that, but this is just gonna be a side dish today, right? So the cabbage, you cut it up in small pieces or dice them in whatever size you want them to be, and steam it down with some bell peppers, thyme, scallion. If you want pepper, you put pepper. Whatever seasoning you have in your home, you can utilize that. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. So this is gonna be a side dish with the chicken or whatever you want to put it with, or eat it by itself. So there you see, guys, the bell pepper, green peppers, whatever you have, and it was already washed. Despite the fact that it's in the sink and not the board, it was already washed, cut, and going to be prepared and steamed down, and you will see the finishing product. So that's what we're doing here. Mix it with all the spices and herbs. Yes guys, so we're almost finished here. So all the cabbage is cut up, she's making sure we're just cooking the one big cabbage and put up some. So that's what it is. You put it in whatever size you want, because at the end of the day it's going to be steamed and shrink right down. So put whatever herbs, whatever spices, and that's it. If you're another meat lover, you can eat it by itself, or you can do many things. So stay tuned. So guys, here's the cabbage cooking down. You can add the amount of water to it. Just a little bit of water to it will steam down, and you can add butter. So there is the bananas, the yam, banana, and pumpkin cooking down. You see the water is not stainy at all because I put the oil and a little bit of lemon juice in there. So that is the final product of the brown stewed chicken. I put it I didn't make it anything too fancy. A small portion for the kid, one of the boys to have. So brown stewed chicken with some white rice, and there you have it. And here guys, you have brown stewed chicken with yam and banana and a piece of pumpkin. It looks good to me, believe you me. I was so hungry I couldn't wait to get down into it. So there you have it, ready to eat. And then I'm going to show you the cabbage, banana, and a piece of yam and some vegetable. You can eat it just like that without any meat, or you can add some of the brown stewed chicken on it. Yes. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Share me out if you can. Leave a comment after this video. Tell me what you like about the video. Have a blessed and wonderful day, and thank you for watching.